So suppose your target level of satisfaction is given by bundle 2, 3. Okay, so you want to achieve the satisfaction level, that is given by bundle 2, 3. So what that means is that whatever satisfaction level is associated with bundle 2, 3 is you want to achieve at least that much level of satisfaction. Okay, and of course you want to do that at least cost, in a least cost manner. Okay, fine. So that's your target level of satisfaction. Okay, mu is u23. Okay, suppose price of x is 1 and price of y is also 1, and suppose the utility function of the consumer is this one, minimum have you all understood this? Question is clear. Individual utility function is given by min 2x comma x plus y. The target level of satisfaction is whatever satisfaction level you get from consuming the bundle 2, 3. Okay, and price of x is 1, price of y is 1, and you want to find the Hicksian demand. Okay, do it. And if there are of course multiple Hicksian demands, that's also possible, that there are multiple solutions to this problem. Specify the entire set of solutions. Okay, are you done? So what are we getting? Okay, so first of all, figure out what is the satisfaction level, what is the target level of satisfaction level. Well, it's min of 4 comma, which is 4. Okay, so mu is 5. Sorry, mu is 4. Okay, min of 4 comma 5 is 4. Okay, so what you're going to do is you will plot the constraint set. Okay, so constraint set is given by this. Okay, the set of bundles that can achieve at least 4 level of satisfaction. Okay, so okay, fine. So x is 2. Okay, x plus y is 4. Okay, and then of course right? Yes or no? Is everybody getting this as the indifference curve? Okay, corresponding to 4 level of satisfaction. Yes. Okay. Okay. So you want to find a point in this region that minimizes your expenditure. Okay, and what is your expenditure? Expenditure is given by x plus y, right? That's the expenditure. Yes or no? Okay, so basically plot the ISO expenditure curve. So what is ISO expenditure curve? It is all those points that cost the same. Okay, so in our case, all these points like x plus y equal to 1, x plus y equal to 2, x plus y equal to 3, all these are different ISO expenditure curves. Okay, so if you plot ISO expenditure curve, the lowest possible ISO expenditure curve will be like this. Yes or no? And therefore, all these points are expenditure minimized. Okay, so if you want to write the set of solutions, you can write it like this. Okay, so the Hicksian demand actually belongs to this set. Okay, so this is a set of solutions xy in R2 plus such that x plus y equals 4. So this is the x plus y equal to 4 line. Okay, and only these points. Okay, so these points means that points that satisfy x greater than or equal to y. Okay, because they are the points which are below the 45 degree line. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to y.